The Director of Livestock Policy has raised concerns over the low number of veterinarians. Wanga told the National Assembly Committee on Delegated Legislation that half of veterinaries in Kenya are due to retire within 2 years, hence the need to fast-track employment of officers.
Has been exporting livestock to the Middle East as it scouts for more markets. However, the Ministry of Agriculture says exports to lucrative markets such as Europe and United States will remain a pipe dream if the number of veterinarians is not increased.
A little, not systematic employment the way you do for military and other offices. It is occasional. Like the last lot were employed in 2011. And a few, they could not cover the whole country.
We are struggling to export our meat and meat products into lucrative markets where the standards are very stringent. So if these standards are not watched and observed, then we are going to have a big challenge.
He says this could compromise the quality of meat. The shortage of veterinaries is likely to worsen in the next 2 years.
Almost 3/4 of the technical staff in the government now, they'll be retiring. So we are going to have a very big challenge in the next 2-3 years.
The first resources people think about are livestock resources. So if we don't take care of this area, we have a major challenge on our hands.
To strengthen the livestock value chain, plans are underway to anchor the Veterinary Council in law to regulate animal medicine.